Herbal teas are some of the healthiest drinks you can ever have. These teas are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in many herbs, which have shown to provide benefits to a person's mind and body. These teas can also be considered good alternatives to your daily sugary and caffeinated drinks, while still providing a great taste and a natural boost to any person's day. Here are the top benefits which herbal teas can provide for you. The first one, drives away the cold. Most herbal teas are excellent for treating the common cold. One of the best ones would be the elder tree herb, which has properties that include clearing the nasal passages and stopping any heavy coughs. Other similar herbal teas can reduce inflammation in the nasal passages and drive away some of the cold symptoms, including mild headaches, clogged sinuses, and irritated throats. The second one, improves digestion. Another healthy benefit of most herbal teas is that they help break down fats and speed up the stomach's emptying. Because of this, herbal teas could help reduce symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and vomiting. The antioxidants present in these teas also help maintain the stomach's balance, ensuring the gut's precarious environment is stable. Some of the best teas which exhibit this benefit include dandelion, cinnamon, peppermint, and ginger tea. The third one, immune system booster. Herbal teas are full of various vitamins and antioxidants that are great in fighting off any free radicals, causing disease and infection in the body. The immune systems of those who are regular herbal tea drinkers are more able to fight against any foreign invaders to the body, ensuring that sickness and disease aren't able to enter or linger. The best herbal teas for boosting one's immune system include elderberry, ginger, and licorice root tea. The fourth one, recovery of the body. Herbal teas have been known to have many regenerative and health-boosting effects to the body of humans. One of the most effects would be providing faster recovery from fatigue, sickness, and stress. Whenever you undergo some exercise, the damage of muscle happens, and the oxidative stress is increased. This condition causes a lot of fitness enthusiasts and athletes to experience muscle soreness and pain, and could hinder a person's training and performance levels. Herbal teas could speed up muscle recovery time by reducing the muscle's inflammation and oxidative stress felt. It could also be beneficial for those who feel pain in other parts of the body during prolonged exercise and workout sessions. Examples of the best herbal teas for this purpose include maca root tea and ginger tea. The fifth one, relieving stress and anxiety. Herbal teas are able to calm and relax both the mind and heart, relieving one from the stresses and any anxieties experienced during the day. Since it calms the mind, drinking this type of tea before going to sleep could also help people who have insomnia. One of the best teas for this purpose is chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has long been used as a traditional herbal remedy for a wide range of health issues. Not forget that this is a very tasty and refreshing tea with gentle apple and honey notes. Once sipped, it comes with a smooth and silky mouthfeel, with a clean and floral aftertaste. Truly a tea to calm both the heart and the mind, able to drive away most of the stresses of a person's busy day. So, today we are talking about why herbal tea is good for you. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos.